What up? Tryna find my soul now. Hey, I pulled up 2 doors up. About to cop that rose. Fuck on like me, I'm saying what it is. What you want, smoke or something, bitch? Thank God I got my own now. Feel that I'm not wrong now. Tryna find my soul now. I can go to shows now.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KennyHoopz coming back at you with another video. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming here to keep you. I'm like, look, I don't want to do this in no business professional type of way. I want to keep this real and raw with y'all. Today I'm gonna give y'all like a breakdown, really, of like all it takes to make it. All it takes to make it. And then I'm gonna tell you how I got to where I am in under a year. Literally under a year, I am where I am. But the crazy part about it all is I'm not stopping where I'm at. So look, to make it in this industry, the things that I believe that you really need, that got me where I am actually. The first thing is first, you got to have motivation in yourself. You gotta have motivation in yourself. That's key number 1. Number 2, you have to be able to grind regardless of what others say, regardless of how others look at you, anything. If it's what you want, you're gonna grind and put the work in. It's like, okay, I'm gonna leave that in a whole nother step. Number 3, I'm gonna say this like, it's like someone can put the plate in front of you, but they can't eat for you. You can't jump straight into this industry looking for a handout. And what I mean is like, you can't come straight in like, oh man, well, when I start, I'm gonna average 0 viewers. I'm only gonna have 1 or 2 viewers. Nobody's in my chat like they're in your chat. It's like, you can't look at it like that. You gotta look at it more of like, if it's what you wanna do, you're gonna get it out of the mud. You're gonna grind regardless. You're gonna, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna put that time in. You're gonna put those hours in, those long nights, those early mornings, all that shit. I'm not here to like BS it. I wanna be here and tell y'all the real. Like, nobody makes videos on how to like succeed, and it's like, you know what I'm saying, just like laid back. It's more of like, everything has to be professional. Why not just let it be chill and be real? You know what I'm saying? So it's like, what I did to get where I am, when I first came into streaming, that's what, like, I started content creating from streaming, and it all started from me literally just sitting back, just getting on 2K, and my friends are gonna be like, hey, we're gonna be on for a while. So I'm like, forget it, why not start up a stream? I started up a stream, and I'll stream maybe 6, 7, 8 hours, no viewers. Maybe my friend, because I'm playing the game with him, and he kept my stream open. Back when I started maybe like, I started almost 2 years ago. But when I started, I didn't take it serious. Like I said, it was just to BS around and just have fun. And then I stopped because school got in the way. I started going to parties and stuff because it was my junior year of high school. So of course I wanted to get more, like, I was already involved because me being me, I'm a social person. I like talking to people and shit like that, having fun. So like I said, work was coming up, and we, like, after work, we would always go kick it and hang out and have fun and shit. So I had life situations come up and get in the way. But it's more of like, I didn't prioritize because I didn't take it serious. A lot of my community and a lot of the community now is really young. So my advice to y'all is start young. Please, please, please start young. Because it's like, the more success and the more you grind, you got it coming to you now. So that I know a lot of y'all, I hate that some parents may see this, but parents, the generation that we live in is based around technology. I'm not gonna sit here and say I hate to say it, because like, it's the God's honest truth. Literally, this generation is based off of technology. So with that being said, your kids, our community, us as people, we're always around technology. And with the pandemic going on, storms, all these tragedies, everything that's going on is keeping us at home, to where we need something to entertain us, to keep us from going out, you know? So what I'm saying is, like, if you're at home, take advantage of it. That's what got me back into it. As soon as this pandemic hit and we went into lockdown, I was like, okay, so I used to stream. If I'm gonna sit at home and do nothing all day other than just like watching TV and stuff, why not stream? Why not do something I can build from? So streaming was something I could do. It kept me out of trouble. It kept me out of any kind of situation that could get me harm or hurt. I was literally just in my room, minding my own business, taking care of what I need to take care of, and having fun. And at that, you can get paid for it. that's one thing, that last thing that I just said, you have to think about that though. Because some people come into this industry thinking money, money, money. You can't jump in just expecting money, because when you don't see the money coming in, you're like, man, how come he can do it? How come I can't? Oh, damn. It's like, you can't look at it like that. I've been doing this consistently for a year now, or it'll be a year in a couple days. I've been doing it consistently for almost a year, and look where I'm at. As much as I have asked, like, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of big content creators that I used to look up to, I used to ask them to raid me, to host me, shout me out, tag me in this, all that stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I really have. I offered to pay people a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I was asking for a handout. I literally asked for plenty of handouts. But it's like, okay, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you to believe what I believe, but like, the way I am in this world and the way my circumstances are built, I wasn't meant to be given handouts. So it's like, with nobody wanting to help me and stuff like that, I didn't cry about it, I didn't trip about it. I took that more into like a thought of like, okay, if no one's gonna help me do it, no one can do it for me, and if I want it, I gotta get up and go do it myself. So it's like, why not get up and put the time in, put the hours in, sacrifice. I sacrifice time, sleep, and money for this, because it's what I love to do. I didn't come into this thinking, oh, I can make money from it, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's the first thing I feel like someone should know. If you can't jump straight into this thinking, oh, I'm gonna make money from it. Of course, in the long run, you get, you know what I'm saying, like you can, but I don't want people to jump straight into it thinking, oh, money, 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 money. Because at the end of the day, when you don't see those numbers and you don't see that amount that you want, you're going to be dissatisfied. You're going to be like, well, oh my gosh, man, like I didn't make as much as I thought I would make today. Or how come I'm not making as much as they're making? It's going to discourage you, and it's going to make you feel like you're not doing good enough. So that's why I don't look for numbers, or money, my bad, because numbers is a different topic. Another thing, excuse me, sorry. You cannot come into this industry worried about how many viewers you're gonna pull. You can't, like, you can't watch your favorite content creator and see them pulling hundreds of thousands of views, maybe even 20, 30, 40 views, and then look back at yourself and like, oh, how come I can't pull that many views? You can reflect, but don't just keep bashing yourself because you're not pulling that many views. Like I said, mind you, it took me months to get to where I am. It takes exposure. It's a lot of factors that goes into it. It's just more of how bad you want it. And it's like, what I've always believed is what's worth having is worth waiting for. So it's like, you can't rush what you feel like you deserve. If it's meant for you to have it, then it's worth waiting for, because you can lose something as fast as you got it if you're not grateful and patient. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm only here to keep it real with you. I want you to know from someone who's been through it. Like, I'm not where I want to be as far as in this content creating, but I will blow up one day. So it's like, with you for the ones watching this video right now, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'm not even done yet, but if you made it this far, I do want to say I appreciate you. It's just like, you have to want it, and like, literally, because you have to understand there are thousands and hundreds of thousands of other content creators. That's why when you go on different platforms, different medias, you see hundreds of thousands of creators playing the same game. Almost, some people got the same title, but it's like everybody's got the same goal. But it's all in what sets you apart from that group. It's like you have a ratio. It's like 1 to like 100, just like a big percent. You got 1 to 100 from you in that big crowd. What is going to make you stand out to where people click on your channel other than them? Why would somebody click your channel than them? Like, make your title interesting. Make your profile picture something unique. When people come into your stream, welcome people. Make them feel comfortable. Make them feel at home. Read chat. Some people don't have to read chat. People still like, are entertained by their content, which is perfectly fine. I'm not bashing anybody. I'm just trying to give people like tips and pointers, on how to grow and how to maintain what they've accumulated. I feel like I'm like one of the YouTubers that like the big people that I be watching, because like I watch videos and stuff. I'm not gonna lie. Another thing, I do watch videos on how to grow, but the crazy part about it is like I don't take those into consideration on how to grow. You know what I'm saying? Like I do what it's like, how you see somebody do something, but it's more of like you put your twist on it. It's kind of like that. It's like I watch it and I'm like, okay, so that's what I can do to grow. That's what I can do to help get this done. Stuff like that. It's like, it's hard to explain, but all I'm saying literally is you have to want it. You have to want it. I may not have thousands of viewers. I may not have thousands of subscribers, stuff like that, but I'm not worried about that right now. I'm having fun with what I'm doing. So like me sitting here recording this video, it's 4 a.m, but because I want to help you guys grow and I want to see you guys do better, no matter where you are in life. I don't care if you feel like you are at your lowest. Me, KennyHoopz, I'm here for you. All of my socials are right here. If you want to hit me up on anything, I'm not Hollywood. My manager pretty much runs my TikTok. So like if you DM me on there, I may not respond, or I may not respond as fast or something. But I'm always on my phone. I'm always on my phone's going off right now. I got people texting me and stuff about videos and stuff like 2K and stuff like that. It's like I promise I'm not Hollywood. You can ask anybody in my Twitch streams. Like when I stream, I pull hundreds of viewers, but I try my very hardest to read everybody's chat. And I pretty much do it. You can ask anybody in there. Do I read chat? Yes, I do. But I'm not making this video about me. This video is about how I really want to see you guys do better than you are right now in your position. And I'm trying to leave y'all with as much advice as I can without making the video too long. If you want me to make another video like this on specific details, comment down below and I will. And if this video gets 100 likes, in 2 days, in 48 hours, if this video gets 100 likes in 48 hours, I'll do a part 2, like I said. But comment down below what specific points you want me to hit at in the next video, and I appreciate y'all supporting me from where we have started to now. And I'm gonna say this, I say it all the time in my streams. I stream daily on Twitch at KennyHoopz. We just got partnered maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Thank y'all so much for the phenomenal support. I love you boys and girls, and I really appreciate y'all. A lot of people don't really just mean it, but like me, sentimentally, I really appreciate it, because never in my lifetime did I ever think I could be a content creator that people look up to. I thought that I just did this for fun, and now this is almost my full-time job. So I do want to say thank y'all. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and this is only the start of Kenny Crew for Life. We are out.
Okay, bye.
Big bang bitch no one. 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 Big bang bitch no one.